Hi, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. I'm at your website and I've copied your URL into a third-party scanner that I use, RankDaddy, to show you what your heading tags, to check your main heading tags. Heading tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. The tags are made up of the title tag, the metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tags. Now your title tag looks good, as does your meta description. Both are looking really well. Unfortunately, your header tag, you're missing your H1 header tag, and that's why you're not on page 1. Header tags, what Google looks at those is to see what keywords they should rank your website for. Let's go and see exactly where you're ranking on Google right now. So I've used these keywords. I use a third-party tracker for this as well. It's called SERPtrack. You can get a free 30-day subscription and check where your website is ranking each day. I've used these keywords: Bakersfield tree service, Bakersfield tree removal, and Bakersfield tree trimming. Unfortunately, you are on page 3 and 4 for these keywords. Now, I don't know about you, but when I go and look for a tradesman, some kind of service, I look on page 1, and I get the first 3 or 4 companies, and I get bids from them. We can help you fix this. We can get you to page 1 in about a month. It's why I'm reaching out to you. If you could use more business by being on page 1 of Google search, please respond to this email. Thank you so much. Have a great day.